last day in New York City. So we're gonna find some more stuff to do around the city. Then we'll have to go home. Sad. First we have to catch a bus. We're going to Hoboken. Where are we at?
We're at Hoboken Terminal and we're about to walk over to this lovely riverfront walk area where you can see downtown Hoboken and Manhattan views.
Wow! Jersey. New York. Jersey. New York. You'd never know. There's a Gaynor shop right there. It's so secret, like I literally walked right past it. Safe travels home and have the rest of your day. You too. Yeah. I got my shoes. And they're so nice. They fit perfectly, and she spent so long being like so particular.
She did. She was really helpful.
Yeah. And being like, we're gonna try all the different sizes. Like, perfect. I'm so happy. State building.
It's right there. Great view.
What a great view. That is a great view. It's not coming into focus at all. There it goes. The Eiffel State Building. Today. Oh no! Well, it looks very nice from the outside, I guess. Wow! My goodness! Loving this. What is this place? sunshine. Look, there's stars in the ceiling. Are those LED lights or are they holes in the ceiling? Follow the shiny lights.
Oh, this is the arch spot, I think. Yeah.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay. Okay, so I'm standing right here in this corner, and Bethany is standing over there in that corner. And we're gonna try to talk back and forth and see if we can hear each other from across the way. Apparently this happens because the ceilings are arched, and the way the echo works, it bounces up. Or it's just a big trick to just like get tourists to like talk into corners, but we're gonna test it and find out. What? It totally works. Can you hear me? That's the craziest thing. Hi. This is the best thing ever. He's all the way over there.
Yep, that was pretty far away.
It totally worked.
Okay, let's go upstairs.
This is our last stop. Grand Central Station. Then I'm getting on the plane.
I'm gonna miss you too, Andrea.
Thanks for taking me all around New York and everything.
Thanks for visiting.
Yeah, thanks for having me. It's real fun. It really excited to go. Alright, so that's it. That's everything. I'm here at the airport. I just booked one of these little workspace areas because the LaGuardia airport is really, really loud. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Thank you for coming along with me to New York. I had a wonderful time. Bethany was the best tour guide. She knew exactly where to go. I never felt like I was gobbled up in the city. It was super, super fun. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what your favorite thing in New York City was. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on our next one. Thanks. Just made it back. Going to meet Kyle at the pickup spot outside of baggage claim. Back home. Hi, baby.
Hey.